all about Gazania plant. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a beautiful and charming flower called Gazania. If you love flowers and plants, this video is just for you. So make sure to stay with us until the end of the video. Introduction to Gazania. Gazania is a perennial flower from the Asteraceae family, known for its vibrant and cheerful colors. This flower is native to the warm and dry regions of southern Africa and is highly popular due to its high tolerance for drought and intense sunlight. Gazania is one of the most attractive and beautiful plants for planting on balconies and in open spaces, requiring a lot of sunlight. If you want to make your entrance or balcony look stylish, Gazania is an excellent choice for you. This herbaceous and flowering plant is native to Africa and has 16 different species. It is said that the plant's name is derived from an Italian-Greek scholar named Theodorus Gaza. In cold regions, it is an annual plant, while in temperate regions, it is a perennial. One of the characteristics of this plant is that the upper surface of the leaves is green and smooth, while the underside is white and hairy. This feature can be used to identify the plant if it is not flowering by looking at the back of its leaves. Care conditions. Light. Gazania loves sunlight. For optimal growth and blooming, it should be placed in a spot where it receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. Soil. Gazania needs well-drained soil. A mix of garden soil and sand is suitable for this flower. Avoid heavy and clay soils that retain water. Watering. This flower requires regular watering, but make sure the soil dries out completely between waterings. Avoid overwatering, which can cause root rot. Temperature. The optimal temperature for the flowering of this plant is between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. However, Gazania is generally resistant to heat, and as long as it is watered properly, it can tolerate high temperatures without any issues. The base parts of this plant can withstand temperatures as low as around 0 degrees Celsius. Nevertheless, when the temperature drops below about 15 degrees Celsius, flowering will first decrease and then stop. As the weather gets colder, the leaves will turn yellow and eventually die. Fertilization. If you prepare suitable soil with leaf compost, well-rotted manure, and vermicompost, the plant will not need fertilization. Otherwise, use a complete liquid fertilizer to strengthen the plant. Pruning. Once the flower has withered and died, you can trim its stem near the junction with a leaf to stimulate the formation of more flowers. Propagation of Gazania. Propagating Gazania is very simple and can be done through seeds or division. Seeds. Plant Gazania seeds in moist soil in the spring or fall and keep them in a warm and bright place. Seeds usually germinate within 2 to 3 weeks. Division. The best time for division is in spring or fall. Carefully lift Gazania clumps from the soil and divide them into 2 or more parts. Each part should have roots and several stems. Benefits of Gazania. In addition to its beauty, Gazania has many benefits. 1. Dust absorption. Gazania leaves can absorb dust from the air, helping to purify the surrounding air. 2. High resistance. This flower is resistant to pests and diseases and doesn't require much maintenance. 3. Decorating green spaces. Due to its diverse and vibrant colors, Gazania is an excellent choice for decorating gardens, balconies, and urban green spaces. With its beautiful and cheerful colors, Gazania can add a special touch to any space. By following a few simple care tips, you can enjoy the beauty of this flower. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our upcoming videos. Until the next video, goodbye.